Of course, without a doubt. There's, USB by itself is just looked as a simple port to most people, right? What's being driven behind it is a whole depth of technical stuff going on, right? And that's where not everyone is aware of what the new changes are. So USB Type C, and there's a lot of confusion here. So you have Type C as the interface itself, which is a reversible interface on, as a port, and it allows you to flip either side, but it ties in with 3.1, right? So they're two separate things, and people get confused that, oh, you know what? USB Type C means 3.1. No, it doesn't. Type C is specifically a connector type, right? We have traditionally a Type A connector, Type B and what have you, but Type A is very common, and we're going to Type C. So the whole thing with Type C is it's reversible, but it's what is Type C bringing? Okay, and this is where the 3.1 technology of USB comes in, and it brings about a hell of a lot. So we've got a single cable which drives video, it's driving data, and it's driving power. That's what people don't realise.
And I think there are variations on that theme, so it may or may not do all three of those.
Yes, there are. I mean, there is. So as standard, you could possibly have power delivery, and you will have data, but you may not, for example, get video. So alt, there's an alt mode, which is providing the video through the cable, so to speak. And so it gets more confusing as to, what can we really do with this? I've got, the MacBook is a classic example. They were one of the first to introduce Type C, and great, it's one port, but what do? I need 10 adapters, right? Because the delivery mechanism is there, right? So you've got the Type C, but the delivery mechanism's there. But how do I now all of a sudden split it into? I want to be able to project, for example, to let's say a monitor. I want to be able to attach a keyboard, let's say, right? That's just two devices there. I may want to power it up as well now. So it's just one port. So yes, it's simple in one way, but it's actually a step back, because you need this whole.
Create another
absolutely, yeah,
the device,
yeah. So and that's what's important, because it is yes the technology is there, but what does it mean? What does it mean in enterprise? How can we use it to our benefit? No, the whole idea is, traditionally we've had the way universal docking has worked, and most people who know our products know that it's software based, it's driver based. So Type C is hopefully going to sort of remove this in that, it's native to the actual device itself. So we get a lot of sort of pushback in terms of, there's a software deployment, and once people are comfortable with the deployment process, and we talk them through it, make it easy, and say, look, this is how it works, and it's fine. The whole Type C scenario is, look, it is one port, but you've got to think about what you need. What do we really need? So, we don't want to all be carrying dongles, right? And great, hey Targus, you know what? We're going to give you the all-in-one solution. Now here's our dock, or here is our hub, and so it's that friendly piece that gives you everything.
So the dock then takes care of your point, the fact that they will then split that signal into power.
Absolutely,
device,
absolutely. That's the whole idea.
The device.
The whole idea, the whole idea is to have that one device which gives you everything. So it gives you all the connectivity, it gives you the power wherever you need it.